Yes, right. Online summer camp. A very vibrant morning to all. I, Ritu Puruthi, welcome you all on this special occasion of digital summer camp, which is organized by Patania Public School. In this camp, we will learn some new adventures related to the field of IT. We will learn about web development, animated movie, and also game creation. I hope you all will enjoy and love it to play game and to create web development. Now Renu ma'am will tell us about this exciting topic, web development. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. So here we are assembled for the summer camp. In first day, we will learn to create an animated movie with simple notepad editor. So in this session, today's session, we learn how to create animated movie in simple notepad. And the second day, we will learn how to create a web development. Animated movie is also the part of your web development. So 2 days we learn about the web development, and the next day, your third day, we will learn here how to create a game. So in third day, we will learn about the game in Scratch. Okay, so everyone ready for the games creation and animated movie? So let's start. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Arav. So bracket less than sign, then you can write down HTML. Everyone take out the screenshot also, coding screenshot, and you can do side by side, and I will also send the coding in chat room also. So after that you can close the angular bracket, and this is your tag. What is this? This is your tag. So first everyone write down HTML tag. After that, we need to write down head. This is the basic things beta we need to write in every web development page, in every page. So this is the basic things you can write down here. HTML, then we write down head. Okay, now we want to add the background of the page, background of our animated movie. So how you set it? Very important point. Everyone attention here now. Here you can write down style tag, STYLE. So here you can write down style. This is very important. This is the combination of CSS plus HTML. So first you write down HTML, then you write down head. After that you write down style tag, and here you start body. Okay, this body is not your tag. This is not your tag. This is only body. So you can write down here only body. After that you can write down here curly braces. What we write here? Curly braces. Okay. After this curly braces, we need to write down some coding here, and our coding is background. What is the name? Background. Why? Because we want our image in the background. So you write down background, then hyphen. Everyone note it down. This is not the underscore. This is the hyphen sign. That sign are displayed on your keyboard with the plus key. So plus symbol have it inside the plus, you can see here hash sign. So you write down background as, then you can write down here IMAGE, image, background hyphen image, then very important colon sign. What is this? Colon, two dots is called here colon. So you can write down colon, then you can write down here URL. What is URL? Uniform resource locator. So we write down here the location of our image. So we write down here URL. After that you can start your bracket here, and between the simple quote, single quote, you can write down here BG, because the name of our file is BG. So you can write down bg.jpg, and then you can close the angular bracket here, and then you can close the bracket. Okay, so you close the quote first, then you can close the bracket here. So beta, here you can now, for this time you can add any picture here, but that time I will Terminator. Okay, first we write this only. After that you can close the curly braces, and then you can close your style tag here. Okay, got it everyone? If anyone have any doubt, please raise your hand and ask me. Close the style tag, and after style you need to close the head tag here. Closing the style tag, how you close it? With the front slash. So you can first close the style tag. After that, you can close the head tag. Now you can start here body tag. This body is the tag of your HTML, and this body is the part of your CSS. So don't be confused in it. So here no need to angular bracket, but here we need the angular bracket. So here you can write down body tag. After that, you can close the body tag. So we do faster now. And after that, in last, you can close the HTML tag. Okay. Now we need to save it. How we save it? Click on the file menu and then click on the save option. Okay. And here you can write down the name, and this file again you can save on your desktop. Because we do simplest way. So just save it on your desktop. So we write down the name of it. For example, I am writing summer.html. Everyone attention here now. When you save your file, .html is very important here. So first you write down your file name, any name you can write down here, your name, your parents name, your pet name, your friend name, any name you can write down here. But after that, dot sign is very important, and then you can press .html and then click on the save button. Okay, so where we save it? On desktop. So you can select your location, desktop, write down the name of your image, and then .html and save it. Okay, now you can minimize your notepad image here. Notepad, you can minimize your notepad here. And after that, you can find out your image file on your desktop. So here you can see our file is there. And one icon is also display here, the S sign. So you can double click on it. Okay, so you can just double click on it. So now you can see a background will be displayed on your screen, but our image is replicated. You can see our image is replicated, but we don't want our image is replicated. We want our image on full screen because we set the background of our game. So how we set it? Again, open your notepad file. Again, open it. Beta, every time you can minimize your file on the desktop and then again restore from the desktop. So again, open your summer file here. And after that, here, everyone attention here. After this background line, background hyphen image colon UR. After that, you can write down here background, BACKGROUND, background hyphen repeat, REPEAT. We don't want our images repeated again and again on screen. So we write this line for that coding, background hyphen repeat colon sign. And now you can write down here no, again write here hyphen, and then you can write down here repeat. Okay. So again, we need to write down here after that, you can write down here terminator sign. Now you save it every time when you do any editing on a notepad editor. Every time we need to save it. So just press the Ctrl+S. Otherwise, you can press file and then click on the save button. Again, minimize it. And here, every time when you want to see the output of your coding, every time we need to refresh here. Every time we need to refresh here. So you can press the refresh button or you can press the F5 also. So now you can see our image is not replicated on the screen, but our image is not on full screen. So how we set the full screen image? So again, open your notepad. And here, after the repeat, we want to write down background hyphen attachment. You write down here attachment word, ATTACHMENT, attachment, then colon fixed, 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 and then terminator. After that, we want our image on full screen. So we set the height 100% and width also 100%. So how we set it? You write down here one line, ground hyphen size colon, and here we need to write 100%. So what is this 100%? Width. And again give one space and again write down 100%. This is your height. So height and width 100%. And after that you can write down, put here terminator sign. So again you save it. Okay, again you can press the Ctrl plus S here, or you can press the click on file menu and save. Again minimize it and refresh here. Now you can see our image is displayed on the full screen. So this is our stage like. Okay, so now we want one dog is moving on the road. So how we add it? Now everyone note it down. Now these all images are used here. Okay, so first we need dog image. You can see dog, one image is dog. So now we need the dog image. So how we set it? Again, open your notepad here. And now you can see here, now we write down complete coding in this body part, where we body start and body close. This is your HTML part. Now we need to write down complete coding here. So here we need to add one image, and the name of image is dog. Okay. So after this body, you can press one enter here. Okay. So everyone attention here. We start body here and our body is closed here. So we write down between this area. So we need to write down here. What we write down here? IMG. Everyone learn this point. IMG. IMG is used to insert an image in your web document. IMG is used to insert an image in your web page. IMG is used to insert an image in your movie, animated movie. Okay, so all these things are same. So here you can write down IMG space SRC is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down dog dot GIF. Everyone attention here, when we create the animated movie, so we need our character in GIF form. So here you can write down GIF. Okay, so IMG SRC is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down dog dot GIF. And now you can close the inverted comma, and now you can close the angular bracket also. So first we see the output of this only. Okay. So you can save it again, click on file menu and click on save, and then you can minimize it, and now you can refresh it here. Now you can see dog is moving on our screen. Visible for everyone? You can see here one dog is moving on our screen, but our dog is not moving on our road. We want to our dog is moving on the road. So how we set it? Just only we need to write here BR tag. So just here, again open your notepad, Summer, you can open it here. And after this body, we need to add BR. So you can just write down BR tag. BR is your empty tag, so no need to close the BR tag. You can write down BR for 9 to 10 times. Okay. So we can write down BR 2 or 3 times, then we copy it and just paste it. Okay. So we have written here BR tag 3 times. Now copy it. Okay. Now you can right click on it and press the copy, or otherwise you can press Ctrl plus C. Or here, now we need to press Ctrl V. One time, again you can press Ctrl V. Now we check our dog is move on the road, or again our dog is just above the road. Okay, so again refresh it. Now you can see the gap between the top and the road. So we need to add more BR here. So again you open your notepad here. Okay. And again, you can copy all these BR. What is this? BR, BR for line break. So you can again copy it and you can paste it here. Now we can again check our dog is set on road or not. So again save it, minimize it and refresh it again. Little bit difference is also there. So one time we need to paste BR tag again. So again you can paste here your BR tag. Now we check it. File menu, save, minimize, and refresh it here. Now you can see our dog is moving on the road. Fine. Now we need two more characters. One character is your cat and second is your rat. So first we need to add these two character here. So again, open your notepad. And here, everyone attention here. See here, beta. Shivam, check here. After this img src is equal to dog.gif. After that, we need to add two more images here. So first is our img src is equal to cat, CAT. You can check cat image is also available on desktop here now. So cat.gif. Now you can close the inverted comma and you can close the angular bracket here. Okay. Now one more character is cat. So again you can write down here img src is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down here rat.gif. Then inverted comma close and your angular bracket close. Fine. Now we check on our web page. Click on file menu, then click on save, minimize it, okay, and refresh it here. Now you can see here one rat and one cat and one dog is moving on the road. But you can see cat size is larger than the dog, but dog is larger than the cat. So how we set it? We set this with the help of width. How we set it, Ara? With the help of width. So we write down here, again open your notepad, okay? And beta attention here, in this image tag, img src dog.gif, after that we need to set the width of dog is, so we set it width is equal to 22%. So dog size is 22%. So we take the cat size smaller than the dog. So we need to set the width smaller than the dog. So we write down here 11%. Fine. So after this cat GIF, everyone attention here on this line. Attention here, beta, on this line. img src is equal to cat.gif. After that here, before the angular bracket close, you can write down here width 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 is equal to 11%. So we take dog size is 22%, cat size is 11%, and rat is always smaller. So we take the width of the rat here 4%. Okay, is equal to 4%. So now we check all sizes are set or not. So again, click on file menu, then click on save. Now minimize it and refresh it here. Now you can see rat size is smaller than cat is bigger than the rat, and dog is again bigger than the cat. Yes, yes, Arav?
मैम एक्चुअली what I did कि मैम जैसे मैंने उसके नीचे जो width थी, I changed that width and after that my animals, the dog, cat, rat, they are not on the road, they are even below the road.
Okay, no problem. You can remove some BR. We can do here. Our image is also, you can see here, our complete characters are out of road. So how we set it? Just remove the BR tag. How we do it? You can see here, beta. Again, open your notepad here. And now you can just remove here 2 BR. One BR and second BR. Okay. Now again save it. And again minimize it. And you can refresh it here. Now you can see again our character on the road. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Good, good, beta, good. So,
yes, Shivam, beta, any problem?
We need to remove 1 or 2 more BR here. So, if we need one more removing of the BR, now we save it. Now, perfect our characters on the road. Refresh it here. Yes, now you can see our all characters are on particular place. Fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
See here, Yes, ma'am.
Shivam is raising hand. Yes, beta Shivam, is there any problem?
Once beta, don't try it.
Shivam?
Ma'am, I am having doubts, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
dogs,
beta, yes,
cats,
ask.
and rat, cat, and dog, ma'am, are moving, ma'am, but the road is not moving.
Road is not moving. Yes, we do now. Yes, beta.
Okay.
Now you can see all characters are displayed on the road, but they are not moving. So how our these characters are moving on the road? So what we do here? So we do again open your notepad here. Okay, and now we need to write down here mark you tag. So just before the IMG tag, you can press here enter key, or to enter key you can press here. And here we, after the BR tag, we need to write down here mark you. So you can write down here MARQUE, mark you space direction, DIRECTION, direction is equal to right. Why? Because we want our characters moving on the right side. Okay, so mark you space direction is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down here right, and after that press one space here, and then you can write down scroll, SCROLL, scroll amount. So what is the scroll amount? The speed of the characters. What is this? Speed of the characters. So we write down here scroll amount is equal to 8. Okay, and after that you can press the angular bracket clause. Okay, so mark you direction is equal to right, because we want our characters are move on the right side, and in which speed moving? 8. So we write down here scroll amount is equal to 8. So again save it, click on file menu, then click on save, minimize it and refresh it here now. Now you can see our characters are moving on the road. Now you can see we want to give the gap between these all characters. So how we add the gap between these all characters? Again, open your notepad. Okay, and here we need to write down some gap. So between the cat and dog, we want gap is larger, and but between the cat and rat we don't want a larger or space. So you can just write down here ampersand sign EMSP, ampersand sign EMSP. This give the space of one tab, but we want 3 tab space here. So again, beta everyone attention on the screen. This is very important point again. After your image coding, you can write down ampersand sign EMSP, and after that you can write down here terminate. Again, you need to write down EMSP terminator. So 3 times you can write down EMSP terminator. But cat and dog, we don't want more space. So you can copy it here, 2 EMSP. You can copy EMSP and you can paste after the cat. But here, after the rat, you need to write down just ampersand. Attention here. Shivam, Arav, attention here, beta. We need only one space. Okay, space bar key. So just we want one space. So you need to write down NBSP. Above here we write down EMSP, but here we need to write down just NBSP because we want only one space here. So after that you can press the terminator. Again, click on file menu, click on save, minimize it and refresh it here. Now you can see one mistake is here. EMSP is displayed here with our screen. So, yes. So again, open your notepad here. Okay. And here you can see ampersand sign is missing. So you can write down here ampersand before the EMSP. Here again, you need to write down ampersand. And here also we need to write down ampersand EMSP. So learn this coding, ampersand EMSP. Again, click on file menu, click on save, minimize it and refresh it again here. Now you can see our all characters are moving on the road and gap between all the characters. Now we want some voices also in our game. So how we did it? So beta, I always provide you the link of the voice Tom. The name is tom.mp3. So we need this voice here. So how we add it? Again, open your notepad, and here we write down it before the body tag. Okay, we need here. So here I have pressed 2 enter, so you learn easily. Here we need to write down AUDIO, audio space, because we don't want we play again and again audio. We want automatic play our audio. So we just write down audio space AUTO, auto, PLAY, auto play. Once, attention here, beta. Yes, so we need audio autoplay. If you want your controls are displayed on screen, so the coding is different. We need here to write down the control instead of autoplay. But we want our voice is displayed on our screen, but controls are not displayed because our all settings are done on our screen. So just write down audio autoplay and then close the angular bracket. And after that, we need to write down here SOURCE, source space SRC is equal to, and the name of my audio is tom.mp3. Now close the inverted comma and close the angular bracket. Again save it. Minimize AUDIO, audio, close. So you start angular bracket, then front slash, then you can close here audio, and then this complete. This is your complete tag. You close it. Again, you save it here. Click on file menu, then click on save. And again, we need to open our. So now you can see our tractor is also moving. Our audio is also available. So this is complete all about your game. So everyone enjoying it?